the minister. Sir, coming to this.
Ki MLA jangka Voice of the People Party, kelami jendat ni darbar tauan, kun gejeng persya yakarai bela ailat yu menteri kata pulih putih.
Chief Minister, sir, as I don't want to engage myself in a discourse with a communal person who wants to see wars between the Khasis and the Garos, who wants to see bloodshed, and in his campaign during the last MP election, he had made an allegation against us and the hate speech that he has made. So therefore, sir, I would request through you, sir, to the Chief Minister to kindly take this as a subject to be dealt in this sitting, sir. Sir, if I were as communal as him, sir, I would not have chosen to associate myself with the Garo people since the late 80s. And as a party, we had already filed an FIR against the concerned person, and I hope that the government will not prevent the concerned authority to initiate action against the minister. Sir, coming to this.
Ki MLA jangka Voice of the People Party, kelami jendat ni darbar tauan, kun gejeng persya yakarai bela ailat yu menteri kata pulih putih, rakam A Sangma, banjubab hapok yang darbar tauan, kelam gejeng pencitam persya yau, halau gejeng kena, budan keti hak berkeran yaki ketin pen isi jai penriau. Tang hadeng kani Deputy Speaker jong yang darbar tauan, Timothy D. Shira, walaupun benar bakara jong ban ailat yu menteri kata pulih putih banjubab hak short duration discussion melawan ra du MLA ke VPP ubah adan mela bersaiman, hak biadai bak gejeng thongkam ni kena hikai, hada dengre subdivision. Syuaban mi napok yang darbar tauan ubah adan ulang ba unum sengap satya ke jengkeran jong menteri kata pulih putih, bat kamru bak jengkeran pen isi.
I would like through you, sir, to request either the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister to address this issue, sir. I will not listen to the Education Minister because the matter against him, sir, is so serious. It attracts Section 196 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So, sir, if the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister is not addressing this issue, I'm not going to listen.
As per our practice.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for me, let me refer the rule, as per Rule 300. And I would like also to refer to Rule 2791, Ansab Para 2, which says, a member while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. So I thought we'll allow first the Honorable Minister concerned to reply, but since the Honorable Member from Nongkrem constituency, Aden Basamwet, stood up and also reacted to this, I would like to first of all, sir, put things in order because the charges is so personal. So therefore, sir, better we expunge that line. Wherever he already used, because
he made a public statement, sir. It is not a personal statement. He made a public statement against us. So the matter is so serious. So if we feel that the government can go ahead and allow him to reply, we are going to walk out, sir. We are not going to compromise. Sir, we don't want to see that there will be a clash between these two communities. His statement, sir, his speech is promoting enmity between the Khasis and the Garos. I don't think we should allow this kind of speech. Sir, I encourage, sir.
Yes, sir, I would like to say like this. I think in the
it is not a personal. It is not a personal. It is a public speech.
Sir,
when he made against us.
I think I would request the honourable member to listen to me also. I think in the statement where he made, the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency has mentioned that FIR has been filed. Okay, if FIR has been filed, so let that course of law carry on. But you bringing here inside the house without any
because he is an
conviction,
we bring it inside the house because he is an MLA.
Allegation. So, sir, why should we bring in this issue inside this August house?
There should not be no.
That is my point.
Not
sir.
be any
so
immunity.
Because see, when we are here inside the house, let us be being governed by the rules on this. Sir. This is my only concern. So I would request you, sir, that the statement made by the honourable member, because this is a personal charge, personal charge against the member who happens also to be the minister in the government.
as per practice, whenever any subject discussion took place regarding one department, the minister in charge of that department concerned will make a reply. So I allow the Education Minister to make a reply.
Let's walk out. There's no. She will listen. Deputy Speaker, sir. Educated people never fight. Therefore, we should be educated and should be respected, and we are the good citizens. Sir, Deputy. Deputy Speaker, sir. Educated people never fight.